Well, hello again, everybody. We're back here at the Hall of History Cave of Science, and we're going to look at one of the Google features we haven't used before, but we probably should start looking at it, and that's called Google's Advanced Search. I'm going to I'll email you the link in your Gmail accounts, but what I'd like to do today is just do a brief look at this. And if the Advanced Search, you can really helps you to narrow down your results. And we're going to take a look at that as we use it with the term Big Bang Theory. I know we used this before, but this is really a pretty good one here in that it allows us a good example because we get the television show plus we get the science. And you can do this with any search you're using. So we'll type in Big Bang Theory, and you can see I've already done that. So this is just a typical search here. Here we can, if you want to restrict it, you can put the exact words or in quotes if that's the only thing you'd want to do. Let's say you want Big Bang Theory or something. You would put that in here. And then here you can put a minus sign in words that you don't want. And actually I'm going to take this out of there for this example. Numbers ranging, it could be years. You only want some research from done in certain years. Maybe you're looking for something from I don't know, say World War II, and you want it from 1940 to 1945. The next section here, you can narrow your results by language, and I'm going to pick English. The region, if you want to search something from any other part of the world, here's where you can do that. And I'm going to stick with the United States on this. And where am I at on the United States? There we go. I'll just stick with the US. The last time it was updated, I'm going to say any time for this, but you can see the different ranges here. Site or domain. This might be something, especially if you're looking for a government publication or something from a university. If you type in .gov, that'll restrict the sites on the search to those that are associated with the government. And you can play around with this on your own too. The terms appearing, do you just want it in the title of the page? Do you want it in the text of the page, in the links, however you want to do that? Here I'm just going to leave it anywhere in the page. Safe search, most relevant results. You can filter explicit results if you wish. Reading level, are you looking for something that is advanced reading, something with basic? And I'm just going to choose the no reading level displayed here. File type, I'm doing any format. You may want something that's you can easily download. So you may want an Adobe Acrobat Reader here. There's some Google Earth stuff in here. You might want a PowerPoint, and so you can really pick out what you want your results, what type of file you want your results in. And I'm just going to pick any format right now. Usage rights, free to use or share. There might be something more with pictures. Right now I'm not going to filter this at any of those. Again, these just feel free to play around with. Not saying anything's right or wrong here, but play around with these things, and it's amazing how much difference you're going to get. All right, so let's look at it. We're just going to put in the term the Big Bang Theory, and we've got our results. We narrowed them by these factors. So we'll hit our advanced search, and as you can see, we really come up with just about everything for the show The Big Bang Theory. Probably not quite what we want. So let's go back, and let's go back to Big Bang Theory, and we're going to put in the term science. So we want the Big Bang Theory as it deals with science. I'm not going to mess around with these. Again, you guys can play with these if you want. Narrow results, I think we'll leave it alone again. And let's do our advanced search. And as you can see now, looks like we've got a little bit more of a scientific search here as you go through this. And probably a little bit more of what we want for for science class or the topic you're looking at. One interesting one I'm going to put in here though, we'll leave Big Bang Theory Science, and I'm going to put in the domain of .gov just to show you how that works. And let's do the search again. And you can see that this gives us our .govs here. And you can look at those. So it does really limit the search. And again, this may be something to use to you. Let's go back here. Again, I would suggest you play around with this. Actually, I have not used this very much at all, so it's another good resource. And as I mentioned, I will send you the link through your Gmail here. So another lesson in our continuing series on how to be wise internet searchers and our whole idea on web literacy in the classroom. So till next time, have a good day.